everyone, Saucy the Towboat Chef. I got another good dessert here for you. They're called mini puff pastry apple pies. So come right back and I'll show you the ingredients and how I prepare it.
Over 500 million people enjoy our public lands each year. We enjoy such luxuries in large part due to the sacrifices made by our armed forces. Unfortunately, many of our vets struggle upon their return with something as simple as basic lack of housing. But you can help. Just visit HeroSoapCompany.com and place your order using coupon code BADGE at checkout. Not only will you receive a discount, but you'll be helping BADGE help our vets.
I did you a favor by fixing your vehicle. You're doing me a favor by buying soap, and Hero Soap Company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay-forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome, and that's why I'm doing this.
Okay, welcome back. There's only 2 ingredients. Well, to make the pie, but then I put the drizzle the glaze over the top. So we already know how to make the glaze, the sugar glaze, right? I've done it many times, shown you many times. So, all right, the 2 ingredients are puff pastry sheets and a can of apple pie filling. Now let's put it together. Be right back. Okay, get these sheets, just lay them out. Real easy. You see these lines? These are going to be our guidelines. Okay. Like I said, it's just a mini. So you add 1 of each of these apples. If they're small apples, add about 1.5. You don't need anything big. You should be able to get 3 on each side. Each one of these. Yes, I'm doing 2 packages of puff pastries, so I can get 18 out of these. Come on now. Should do it at a slant. There we go. Alright, I'll be back in a moment after I get this all filled to show you what I do next. Okay, you can see I got them all laid out. Open this one up. Line it up over the top. Press down along these lines here. Then press along the edges. We're going to finish it off with a fork. That's why it's uneven over there, because more over on this side. That's all right. I can work around it. Take your pizza cutter. cut it along these lines. Here I'm back, I'll show you the next step. Okay, what I'm doing here is, of course, I had a little screw up, kind of gotta recut it through. I'm pressing the fork all the way around, and when I'm done with that one, I also then will poke a hole on the top and lay it out. Now I'm going to finish doing up all the rest of these right here. Yeah, you got to make sure to try and cut it really good with that pizza cutter. I didn't press down hard enough. But I'm going to finish these up, and I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees. And then it's going to be approximately 30 minutes for them to cook up. And I'll show you what they look like when they come out. So be right back. Wow, look at that sunset. Sunrise come up with the fog on the water. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Check that out. It looks like steam coming up. Basically, that's what it is. Cold steam and cold air. Look at that, the glare. The tree. Oh, yeah. One of the many, many reasons I'm out here on this river is this right here. These just came out of the oven. Look how good they look. Look at the fluffiness in this. Oh, look at that. Alright, here's the bun. If you notice, a little thicker. I make it with heavy whipping cream. Of course, the confectioner sugar and vanilla. But I want it this kind of thick because I want it to be a icy, not a glaze. Come on. Yes, it's still hot. I want it to melt on it. Don't that look good? Up a little bit. It's been sitting there. Oh well, it's got a glaze on that one. Anyways, that's what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, I waited till later this evening, in the evening here, to have one of these. Look at this. Look at the fluffiness. So, here we go. That apple's in there somewhere. I'm getting the juice on it. But you can see, look at that. Oh my God. Where the heck is that apple? I think it's over here. I know, right? I'm being mean to you. Sharing it. Oh my God, look at that. There it is. Squeezing out right there. Oh God. It's good. Yes, badge. Put it on your cookbook. Okay? I know you're going to. Alright, be right back. I want to thank you all for watching my video today of these puff pastry apple pies or apple turnovers, or some people call them Streusels. So, whatever, they're still good. Anyways, thank you again. If you're new to my channel, click on that subscription button. Click on that little bell so you get more notifications of my videos. So click that thumbs up, leave me a comment. I do respond. Now, mind you, while I'm out on the rivers, I may not respond right away due to service for my phone. So, with that said, I also want to thank all my subscribers that have been putting up with that. So with very few videos being able to be uploaded because of the damn service. So, it's the only thing I hate about this river. Anyways, you all have an awesome, awesome day. And I'll try to see you up the river